New tonight at 11, the DW Field Park in Brockton, it closed down as city officials made the decision because of concerns of a potential outbreak of bird flu. Thanks for joining us tonight, everyone. I'm Colton Bradford.
And I'm Priscilla Casper. We want to get straight out to our NBC 10's Jericho Tran. She's joining us live from the park with more on what she's learning tonight about the situation. Jericho.
Well, that message comes directly from the Brockton Emergency Management Agency. Once again, this is a potential outbreak of bird flu. These gates here will remain shut. The biggest message for the public right now is do not touch the birds. Whether they are sick or dead on the ground, do not touch the birds. The city of Brockton closed the gates of DW Field Park today out of an abundance of caution following concerns of a potential outbreak of bird flu.
These infections tend to be cyclical. They kind of come and go, but they tend to be most prominent in the winter months.
The park provided a poultry disease reporting form for neighbors who spot any sick or dead poultry birds. The move comes just days after 60 dead birds, geese, swans, and ducks were found in Plymouth, Massachusetts, with state officials identifying the suspected cause as a highly pathogenic avian flu.
This isn't really a surprise for us. We've been dealing with a variety, not just here in Massachusetts, but across the country, a variety of outbreaks of avian influenza since it arrived on the continent in 2022.
The virus rarely affects humans, but Massachusetts Wildlife, along with several other wildlife organizations, urge people not to touch any sick or dead birds.
If they're geese, the virus is spread through the feces, and you can get that on footwear quite easily if you're walking in an area where geese have been.
And local officials will be partnering with the state to try and resolve this potential outbreak. In Brockton, Jericho Tran, NBC 10 Boston.